2023 Mazda CX-30 engine, transmission, and performance. The CX-30 standard engine is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with 191 horsepower. This engine is paired with a 6-speed automatic which chooses gears wisely based on driving conditions. A turbocharged 2.5-liter engine is optional and provides 250 horsepower. If you're a fan of the Mazda 3 hatchback, which we are, you'll find the CX-30 just as nimble, athletic, and fun to drive. Its crisp steering and fluid body movements make it a pleasure to pilot on a twisty road and provide a sense of stability when cruising. The non-turbo CX-30 receives fuel economy estimates of 26 city, 33 miles per gallon highway, and 29 miles per gallon combined. Price, $24,000. Interior, comfort, and cargo. There is enough seating in the CX-30 for up to 5, but if you're carpooling your coworkers in the CUV, we'd suggest sticking to a maximum of 4 adults. However, the legroom in the rear isn't quite so generous that you'd want to be stuck back there over longer journeys. Headroom is ample throughout, but there isn't an abundance of shoulder room, so you may bump elbows with your front seat passenger from time to time. Thereafter, you get an 8-way power driver's seat. Both front seats are heated from this point on, too. Overall visibility is excellent, thanks to large windows and the high riding height of the crossover. Infotainment and connectivity. The CX-30 comes with a standard 8.8-inch screen and Mazda Connected Services, which allows owners to lock and unlock, remote start, and monitor their vehicle through the My Mazda app. The CX-30 also is equipped with standard Bluetooth, 2 front USB inputs, and Wi-Fi hotspot capability. Available features include Apple CarPlay/Android Auto integration and SiriusXM satellite radio. About its safety, it includes 1. Standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection. 2. Standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist. 3. Standard adaptive cruise control. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell.